So in this video, I want to show you how to use your random generator on your Ti N-Spire calculator. We're going to use our random generator function on the calculator to help us practice a couple things. And when we do that, I want to make sure that you're doing it correctly. And the only way to do that is to make sure that we're, even though it's random, we want to get the same answer. So we're going to do this process of seeding the calculator to a certain start value. And we're going to use what's really is a pseudo-random program to actually get values, random numbers, all right? So in order to do that, we're going to go here from our home page. If you're on the home page, if you're not there, you can press your on key to get you there. Click on add a calculator here. And after you add a calculator, we're going to go find our random generator functions. And they are located, you press the menu key. They're located in probability under your random functions. And we want to first start off by seeding our calculator. So we're going to go to random and number 6 seed. And all we're going to do is we're going to give it some kind of arbitrary number. In this case, I'm going to use today's date, which is 11/30. And what this does is it's going to seed my calculator using this particular value. On your homework, I'm going to give you certain seed values to start at. That way we all get the exact same random values when we do this. So once we have it seeded where we want it to be at, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to press the menu key again. And so for our example that we did in class, we worked on these states. We wanted a sample of size 5, and there are 50 states. So when we did a simple random sample, for instance, if I want a sample of size 5 with 50 states, we're going to go to randomly generate those 5 states that we want. We're going to go to random, and we're going to use the randInt. All right, and so randInt will give you whole numbers. Our states, remember, they're 1 through 50, so they have to be whole numbers. So we're going to generate 5 random numbers from 1 to 50 that correspond to our states. So to do that, we always start off by setting a lower bound. The lower bound is the smallest number in these particular population, which in this case is the first state or the one state, up to our upper bound, which should include every value or every particular item in the population. So for our states, that's 50 states. So this says the lower bound is 1, the upper bound is 50, or basically take numbers from 1 to 50. And out of those, I only want 5. So I'm going to give it a number like this, 5. And it's going to give me 5 random numbers like this. Now, this particular case worked out to where I got 5 different random numbers. Every now and then you will get 5 where they repeat, where you have some numbers repeat. So just be wary of that. If you get numbers that repeat, you're going to have to go ahead and generate the sample again. You can recall this function, or again, to do that one more time, I'll show you how to do it. So if I want to go menu, and again, if I want to go to, I would go to probability, random, integer, again, and remember, whatever your lower bound is, 1, upper bound is 50, and then we want 5 for our sample. And there you go. Notice here you're repeating, your 38's repeat. So this does it with repetition. And so remember, you have repetition, you can't use this, so you'd have to go do a different sample, or you could actually use these 4 numbers and then generate one more and take the number out of that one. I hope this video helps.